Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alif Allah as jasmine sapling my Murshid cultivated in my heart who water of negation and affirmation irrigated in every vein in every part who when it sprouts it scatters fragrance within me who forever live my Murshid Hadrat Bahu such was planted by thee who my spiritual master from the time of Azal mentioned in the glorious Quran, he whom Allah guides is the one who is rightly guided, but the one whom he holds strayed, you will not find him any wali, friend, and Murshid guide to show the path. Allah Almighty at the day of Alastu bi Rabbikum has placed Ismi Allah Zat within our spirits and clearly described in the following glorious verses. Indeed, we offer the trust in form of Ismi Allah Zat to heavens and the earth and the mountains, but they declined to bear this burden and felt scared of it. But man took it on. Verily, he is given the wrongdoing against his own spirit, unwise and extremely ignorant of consequences of lapse in paying back the trust. Again, Almighty Allah describes, it is they in whose heart Allah has inscribed faith and has strengthened them and with his spirit. Here the faith is meant as Ismi Allah Zat. In Armughan Hijaz, Allama Iqbal states, O Prophet, blessing and salutation be upon him. Please inscribe glorious name of Allah upon the plate of my heart, so that I will be able to see Allah Almighty without any veil. Allah Almighty sent down upon the earth prophets and awliya to guide the public by outlining to them what is permissible and what is forbidden. And after the prophets, this duty was fulfilled by friends of Allah. They introduced Ismi Allah Zat to public. When it purified their soul, which is Fuad, its effects changes the DNA profile towards affirmation, and when heart and mind established their correlation, negation sense of denying the truth or the darkness of negativity will eventually fade away, and it will reflect upon one's physical self. When we were placed on earth and we had to submit to Murshid Kamal who guides desirous talib of Allah how to invoke Ismi Allah Zat within our spiritual heart, which is soul. And one obeys the order of Murshid Kamil as mentioned in the glorious Quran. O believers, obey Allah and obey the Rasul, blessing and salutation be upon them, and those awliya Kamal who are bestowed spiritual authority, who hold command amongst you. It is order of Allah Almighty to obey Murshid Kamal, who is upon the path of Sharia and who has authority to inscribe name of Almighty Allah in form of Ismi Allah Zat in the heart like jasmine plant. Dhikr of Allah adduced within the breathing. The oxygen breathed in spreads in every vein and with oxygen and blood, and it reaches everywhere. It removes all forms of satanic influences and darkness and leaves the soul cleansed. When Ismi Allah Zat influences the body, each hair of the body engages in the dhikr and calmness and contentment sets in. The same as when a rosebud opens and it scatters fragrance. My Murshid live forever whom had inscribed name of Allah in my heart.